Experiencing rapid battery drain on your iPhone? First, check your battery health in Settings, Battery. A maximum capacity below 80% may indicate a degraded battery needing replacement. Low capacity below 80% signals degradation. Also, review battery usage to identify power-hungry apps. iOS 18's AI-assisted recommendations can flag issues. Excessive drain, 15% per hour during normal use, points to a problem. Restarting your iPhone and updating to the latest iOS version, like the iOS 18.2 beta, are crucial initial steps to eliminate software glitches that may cause battery drain. To optimize your iPhone's battery life, start by managing background app activity. Many apps continue running in the background, consuming power even when you're not using them. Go to Settings, then General, and disable background app refresh for non-essential apps. Social media and streaming apps are common battery drainers. Next, enable optimized battery charging in the battery settings. This feature learns your charging patterns to reduce battery aging over time. Avoid extreme temperatures and don't overcharge past 100%. Keeping your iPhone in very hot or cold conditions can accelerate battery degradation. Consider enabling low power mode, which can reduce battery drain by 20 to 30%. This is especially useful when your battery is low. For efficient charging, use a 20 watts or higher adapter with MagSafe or USB-C. This provides optimal charging speed without unnecessary strain on the battery. By addressing app behavior and improving your charging habits, you can significantly extend your iPhone's battery life and reduce drain issues.